So I decided to go into the market. As you can see, I've already made close to $4. Okay, now you're in Nigeria, you are seeing this. You know how much $4 we do. Even if I decide to take out $5 from this trade, that is about almost 10,000 naira, and that would help me a lot in this economy. So the point I'm trying to make here is that if you've got a skill, money will not be your problem, okay? Because you are money yourself. That's why I tell people to stop looking for money and start, creating value. All right. Now, when you create value, you will see that money will follow you, okay? And then build skill, learn something new, learn a skill that you can actually, start doing today and you make money even if you have 0 naira in your bank account or $0 in your bank account. It doesn't matter, okay? What matters most is what can you do? What is that skill that you have that other people can benefit from? If you are wondering what kind of trade is this is synthetic trading. All right, it's where you enter the market and make money with your trading capital, and then at the end of the day, you can withdraw your money in less than 30 minutes. If you're interested in learning this skill, learning how to trade the currency market, all you need to do is to share this video, comment in the comment section, I'm interested, and I will plug you in. All right.